Stop split ends and breakage. Get your hair together. Protect your tresses caused by damage from the sun, heat styling, and the environment with the latest revolutionary breakthrough product developed exclusively for Monat. Don't just cut it off, repair it. Introducing Rejuvabeads. Targeted hair repair technology. This 1-minute miracle offers encapsulated nanobeads filled with rejuvenating oil to instantly repair damage and mend split ends. Apply product on wet hair after shampooing and conditioning. Emulsify with your hands and work product from mid to ends, combing through or using your fingers. Wait 1 minute, then style as usual. For hair that feels stronger and looks healthy, luscious, and shiny. Ditch the hair drama. Don't cut it off. Repair instead with Rejuvabeads.